Big news happening in the cryptocurrency industry this week. I've got some big Bitcoin adoption news for you, particularly some great stats out of Africa, as well as some statistics on just how many people are still in profit on their Bitcoin holdings, even at this point. Big Polkadot ecosystem news. And of course, we have to talk about the Ethereum proof of stake merge, which has been delayed. Come on, Ethereum. Also, make sure to stick around until the end of the video. I've got 2 hot new token sales that are having their sales very soon that I want to put back on your radar. We've talked about both these coins in the past, but now their sales are finally coming up. And we had STEPN a few weeks ago, which did like a 200x from the token sale, man. So if you're looking to make money in the cryptocurrency markets right now, token sales have still been making the cheddar for people. So make sure to stick around till the end of the video to get that update. My name is Lark. Every day I make videos talking about cryptocurrency investing. If you do like that topic, like staying up to date with what's happening in this fast-moving cryptocurrency industry, then let's tap on the thumbs up button to let me know that. That'd be awesome. Thank you very much. By the way, every single week my team and I make Wealth Mastery. It's a cryptocurrency investor report. We talk about DeFi, we talk about altcoins, talk about NFTs, portfolio updates. There's a weekly altcoin review, tips, tricks, much more. You can sign up for free using the link down below in the description. Now let's go ahead and get into the news. I want to start off with this Bitcoin chart. 75% of Bitcoin holders are currently in profit. So you can see right here. Now, if you look back to previous bearish periods in the market, back in 2015, we only had 30 to 42%, 2018, 45 to 50%, March 2020, 51 to 56%. Now we are in this bearish period for the market, and we are seeing significantly more people in profit at this point. Now, what does that say to us? Simply that people have been buying and holding their Bitcoin, man. We have the total number of people who have not moved their Bitcoin in over a year at a new all-time high, or right next to a new all-time high. We see huge amounts of Bitcoin holders still in profit, even at these price points, even with the big drawdown in price. A lot of people still sitting on Bitcoin profits, which of course makes riding out all this volatility that much freaking easier. So that's just a pretty cool statistic I wanted to share with you real quick to get started off with. Now let's talk about some big adoption news, and I have 2 stories in particular I want to share with you. The first is about financial advisors who are looking at crypto, and the second is about Nigeria. Now the first one, this recent survey that was done, 72% of financial advisors managing $26 trillion in total funds between them are saying that they would invest in a crypto spot ETF. Now it gets more interesting. I want to dig into this a little bit here. So they talked to 500 different financial advisors. Of those, we had 72% who said they would invest more client funds if they had a spot Bitcoin ETF, a spot Ethereum ETF. The market is highly demanding these products, and yet the SEC in the USA is not freaking giving it to people. In fact, they're spending their time doing things like cracking down on Celsius for letting people earn yield on their crypto, which is absurd. Anyway, they also said that of those who already invested in cryptocurrency, 86% anticipate raising their allocations over the next 12 months. So we're going to see more of these guys putting money into crypto, and 0% of them intended to reduce their allocations. So they're either staying flat, buying more, and the ones who aren't in yet, they want spot products for their clients. Now, also, these guys are saying that, yeah, we have Bitcoin future ETF products for our clients, but everybody knows the Bitcoin future ETFs are completely inferior products to a spot Bitcoin ETF. So people might like to play around with that, but they want the real deal. They want the spot Bitcoin ETFs. Also interesting, advisors recommend 6% of their clients' overall portfolio be put into crypto. That's a pretty big number. Now, we've covered the statistics in the past that even a 1% allocation of Bitcoin can significantly outperform a portfolio with a 0 exposure. 2%, 3% dramatically increases that. 6%, this is showing that financial advisors are increasingly bullish on crypto, saying to people, yeah, throw 6% into Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? It's big, big news. So that's really cool to see that we are seeing more and more of the traditional finance guys waking up to crypto, recommending it to their clients. Of course, their clients are going to be demanding. Everybody wants to get some crypto these days. Next, let's talk about soaring cryptocurrency adoption in Nigeria. Now, we talked recently about different countries and their adoption rates, and we see Western Europe and North America having very low adoption rates, people primarily looking at it as just an investment in those places, whereas when we look at countries in the developing world with rubbish fiat currencies where you have 40-50% inflation rates, the Americans are freaking out about 8.5%, go to Argentina, go to Lebanon, go to Venezuela, go to Zimbabwe, go to Nigeria, go to Turkey. We're talking double-digit, high double-digit, in some cases, inflation numbers. These people have used cryptocurrency as a lifeline in those countries, so it's unsurprising to see such high levels of adoption coming out of Nigeria. Now, the report found that out of 33.4 million Nigerians, 35% of those aged 18 to 60 have owned or traded cryptocurrencies in the last 6 months. 52%, about 17.3 million people, have distributed more than half of their wealth into the asset class. That's crazy, crazy bullish statistics right there for one of Africa's fastest growing economies. Moreover, 70% of the crypto investors vowed to increase their exposure by the end of 2022. Nigerians are super into it, man. They have been orange pilled, apparently, and they are going hard. And look, we've talked a lot about adoption in Nigeria over the years here on the channel. So this is just great to see some really solid numbers coming out of Nigeria, and that people are really getting big time into crypto to evade capital controls put on by their central bank, to escape their own basket case fiat currency. So well done, Nigerians, well done. Now let's talk about some Polkadot / Terra Luna news. So Acala and Anchor Protocol are integrating to grow the decentralized stablecoin market and to bring the Polkadot ecosystem and the Terra ecosystems together. So the integration of Anchor with Acala and with the Karura network, which is the Kusama version of Acala, is being made possible via the crypto wormhole. So this is really great to see these two massive ecosystems linking up. Obviously, I've been very bullish on the Polkadot ecosystem for a long time. I'm very bullish on the Terra ecosystem for a long time. I've got Acala, I've got some Luna. So this is all my bags just working together in unison to pump. It's great. I love it, guys. Good stuff. The more we can see these deep integrations between different protocols, the more stable and strong the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem becomes. So very cool news to see these two powerhouses teaming up. Now let's talk about Ethereum. The merge has been delayed. I'm so surprised. Ethereum, man. Anyway, so it had been initially thought to be coming in June. This is, of course, after previous delays. It was going to be late 2021, then it was going to be early 2022, then it was definitely going to be in June of this year. Well, now a core Ethereum developer, Tim Byko, believes that the merge is going to take a few months longer than they had anticipated. Come on, Ethereum. Look, delays are normal in tech, and basically every single major tech upgrade never comes before time, that's for damn sure, and they often come slightly after time. Delays are definitely a part of Ethereum's ecosystem, without a doubt, but they will get there. The merge will happen. We've had significant progress on Ethereum 2.0, the staking contract, obviously, EIP 1559. We've had a lot of test nets already running for the merge. It's coming, just not as soon as we had anticipated, which kind of sucks, but you know, whatever. It'll get there when it gets there. I'm just hodling my Ethereum, staking it, making money on it until that happens. Now let's talk about those upcoming token sales. And first, I want to start by talking about BreederDAO. Now, look, just to be clear, I am investing in both BreederDAO and Legends of Elumia. I'm talking about both those right now. So I'm very bullish on both these. That's why I am investing in them. And I think that these have good potential as token sales to perform well moving forward. And look, the play here is to get in during the token sale. the people who are the early buyers, the people who can get in during the token sale, tend to be the ones who get the biggest returns on token sale investments. So just be aware of that as we go into this conversation. Anyway, BreederDAO, we've talked about them on the channel before, as well as Legends of Elumia. BreederDAO is basically an NFT factory for the top games in the industry, as they say, breeding life into the metaverse, one NFT at a time. So you can see them working with some of the biggest play-to-earn games. So they're focused on asset creation at scale, working with a huge number of guilds, a huge number of games, having already made over 100,000 NFTs for these games. You can see them working with some of the biggest games right now in crypto: Axie Infinity, Cypher, Cyball, Krabata, Wonder Hero, and many more. So they've got big partnerships here. Big things coming in the future as we see even more game integrations, more partner guilds coming, AI-powered asset production, all of this kind of stuff planned as we move forward. Huge institutional partners: A16Z, Delphi, Hashed, Yield Guild. Big names here backing BreederDAO. Their token sale is happening on the 26th of April, so about 10 days from now approximately. Now it's going to be happening on the Copper platform, which basically is an auction style sale. So if you want to learn some more information about BreederDAO, then come over here to their Twitter page, follow along with the latest updates about the sale. And of course, if you think it's something you're interested in, then that is how you can get involved. And the second token sale that is coming up is Legends of Elumia. This is a play-to-earn, massive multiplayer online RPG for both PC and mobile. Absolutely love the art here for Legends of Elumia. They got some very cool stuff going on. You can see kind of the general concept of the game playing in the screen behind me here. So it's a fantasy style RPG game with some really sweet graphics, some sweet kind of gameplay going on as well. And this is obviously a beautiful trailer that they have here for the game. But if you want to see what the gameplay is going to look like, you can see right here on the screen that this is what the game is going to be looking like as you actually play it. So a really beautiful looking game. Very excited about what these guys are doing over at Legends of Elumia. And they've, of course, just announced their investors recently to close the funding round with Alameda, Animoca, Spartan, Crypto.com, GuildFi, YGG Southeast Asia, and a bunch of other big names from the VC industry. So a lot of serious money behind Legends of Elumia. A lot of people believing in the vision that they are bringing forward here. Now, if you want to get involved, they're actually doing multiple token sales. So they're doing 3 token sales in total. I'm not going to cover every single detail about all those sales, but they're doing it on 3 different launch pads. For example, on GameFi, starting on April 19th. But if you want to get the total details about those token sales, you need to come over here, follow at PlayElumia on Twitter, and you can find all of the details there about all 3 of the token sales that they are having for Legends of Elumia. As I said, I'm very bullish on both of these token sales, both BreederDAO and Legends of Elumia, which is exactly why I am investing in them, because I'm very bullish on the future of cryptocurrency gaming. That's why I'm investing in individual games as well as investing in gaming infrastructure like BreederDAO. Anyway, don't just randomly ape because I'm talking about it on today's video. We've talked about both of these coins before. Their sales are happening now. Before you obviously invest in those sales, you need to go do your due diligence, make sure it's actually something that you're interested in investing in. And if that's the case, well, there's the information for you to get started to learn more. Anyway, thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.